In this video, I'll be going over 5 sneaker hacks that, in my opinion, every guy should know. I'll be showing you how to prevent creases, prevent stains on your white sneakers, and how to get that shorter shoelace aesthetic look when wearing your sneakers. What's up everybody, George here from GP Lifestyle, helping you dress better, look better, and ultimately be better through style, tutorial, and tips videos like this. And in today's video, guys, I'll be going over 5 sneaker hacks that, in my opinion, every guy should know. If you guys are new to the GP Lifestyle community, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. Let's jump into it. The first hack on this list is to lace your sneakers going over the eyelet instead of underneath the eyelet. This is a simple way that you can shorten any laces that you have, so when you come to that last eyelet, they sort of just hang on the top. Now this is dependent if the shoelaces aren't super long to begin with, but this is basically super simple to do. All you gotta do, don't cry now, is you gotta unlace them all the way up to the bottom for the first eyelet, and then you're gonna go over each eyelet versus going underneath each eyelet. This is gonna shorten each shoelace because this is going to take a longer path for it to get to the top versus going underneath, which is a shorter path. Now when you get to the last eyelet, this is the only time where you want to go underneath the eyelet because it's going to make tying your shoes a lot easier to do. And this is something that I do with every pair of sneakers that I get. If I notice that they're not laced up like this, I just take the extra couple of minutes, do it, and it gives me a shorter lace each time. All you want to do is make sure that you work out the creases throughout them so they're nice and even across. Hack number 2 on this list I've been testing out for the last week, and that is to get yourself a pair of crease guards. Now I saw these advertised on Instagram months and months ago, so I decided to pick up a couple of pairs of these from Amazon to try out with my Air Force Ones and my Air Jordan 1s. And these little plastic contraptions actually work. Basically what this is, it's kind of like the shoe horn that you can get in the box when you buy the shoes, which is meant to prevent creasing when storing your shoes, which is I recommend you guys do if you don't get these crease guards. But what these basically is, you slide them in to the shoe right at that toe, kind of like you would slide in an insole, and you wear these crease guards, and when you slide them in, they form an arch so the plastic doesn't bend, and when you try to go and do a toe off, it doesn't bend. Now, they work 9 times out of 10 times. If the sneaker you're wearing is kind of loose and it may be not your right size, maybe you need to go a half size down, they will crease but a lot higher. They won't crease at the toe, they kind of will crease where the eyelets are. And this I actually like, because if you're wearing the right size sneaker and you want to prevent creases, this is definitely something that you'll pick up. And if you put them in properly, you actually won't feel like there is a giant piece of plastic in there. And this is honestly an awesome way that you can prevent creases and prolong the longevity of any expensive pair of sneakers you have, or any white pair of sneakers you have, like Air Force Ones, which are meant to look always fresh out of the box. And you can pick up a 2-pack of these for like $12. And honestly, if you pick up 1 pack, I honestly recommend just putting them in each sneaker when it's time to wear them, and you don't have to get 1 for each shoe. And this is awesome. I'll leave a link in the description. Hack number 3 is a bit of a cleaning hack that I've done for years for my sneakers. That is a tight-to-go stick and a wet wipe combo. Now if you have any white pair of sneakers that you want to wear and you want to keep it fresh as possible, or any expensive pair of leather sneakers, I honestly recommend giving them a wipe down with a wet wipe every time you're going to wear them outside to prevent those surface stains from going deeper and or drying. Now if you notice that there is a deeper stain coming in and you don't want to let it set and then have to wash your sneakers and do that whole process, definitely get a tight-to-go detergent stick, because you can do a nice precise stain clean. Just punch it in and then scrub, and then wipe it off with the wet wipe. This is an honest way to keep your sneakers fresher longer without having to go through that intense cleaning process when you really let the stains dry and get deep and build up more surface stains. This is nice maintenance for longevity and having to clean them, do a deep cleaning a lot less often. Hack number 4 is another way to prevent creases, and this is maybe the ghettoest or cheapest one that I have found, and that is to do the double or triple insole. Now a lot of times if you don't want to buy the crease guards, or you bought the wrong size and you want to maintain them crease free for just a little bit longer, definitely go with a double or triple insole. What I recommend you guys do is go to the dollar store, pick up the cheapest pair of foam insoles that you can find that aren't super bulky, and get 2 pairs of them and stick them in so your foot is a little bit higher, so when you walk you do even less of a toe off, so you actually prevent more creases. This is a hack that maybe might cost you like $3, and then again, you can just take out those insoles and put it in another pair of sneakers so you don't have to get another one. This is the cheapest hack on this list, but if you got the crease guards, you can negate this tip. But if you want to add that extra comfort, definitely one extra insole, maybe not the two, because two is a little bit of overkill. The fifth and final hack on this list is how to prevent odor when storing your sneakers in a closet or in close proximity to your good clothes or even other sneakers, and then it's use laundry sheets. Those sneaker things that you see at like Foot Locker and Foot Action for preventing odor, they're expensive, especially if you have a lot of pairs. That's gonna add up really quickly. I recommend you use something like scented laundry sheets. They're dirt cheap and they get the job done of preventing odor when it comes to fabrics and materials. All I do is get one for each shoe or boot, crumple it up, stick it in there. When it's time to wear them, take them out, give them a sniff. They should be good for a while. And this is a super affordable way for you to prevent odors. And honestly, this is dirt cheap and it'll last you for a while, because I've had the same laundry sheet in there for about 2 months now and it's still going strong. So you can only have to replace it maybe even a couple times a year, and this is dirt cheap and affordable. And there you guys have it. Those are 5 sneaker hacks that, in my opinion, I think every guy should know. If you guys made it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because if you made it this far, I can tell you're way more serious about dressing better, looking better, and ultimately being better. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.